It's a common practice to merge cells and make it one. While it does the work, when the cells are merged, you will not be able to sort the data. In case you are working with a worksheet with merged cells and you want to unmerge all the merged cells at one go, then today in this tutorial you will learn how we can unmerge all cells in the worksheet in one go using VBA macro programming. I will even explain you the code line by line, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. As you can see that in this worksheet we have few cells merged. What we want to do here is that we want to unmerge these cells. To do this, we will write a small VBA macro code. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will write our code. Since I have the code already copied in clipboard, I will just paste it here, which will help us in reducing the video length. This is the macro code that will do our job. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Now let us understand this code line by line. The first line here is just a comment for us to better understand what our macro is supposed to do. Then we have started our macro with name unmerge all cells. You can give any name you prefer to. This is the line which will do the magic. This line will unmerge all cells in the active sheet. And finally, we have closed our macro with end sum. Now since we are done with our code, let's close this VBA editor and return back to Excel sheet to test our macro code. To run our code, we need to press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You can see our macro code name here is available. Before we execute this macro, have a look at the sheet. There are few cells merged. Now let us run our macro. Just click on the name and hit run. You can see now all our merged cells are now unmerged. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.